Out here in Lake Havasu, Arizona, diving on this sailboat in dive site 5. Now, there's a map online you can find of the entry points and exit points, and if you follow the lines, it'll lead you to a few different things. Like this sunken sailboat, for example. I find some golf balls on the wreck, and I'm trying to inspect it with my camera, making sure I get a shot of the whole boat. So I travel to the bow, and then after that, I go into this hatch, and kind of in the forward V berth area. You know, you can make that's where the bed would be, kind of another bathroom. And then I found another hatch here, and in this hatch is kind of the aft area with the galley, and you can kind of make out the kitchen a little bit, and another golf ball. And then I kind of go through the main entryway here, and where you can make out the galley on the right hand side, but the whole boat looks like it's filled with mud or silt, some kind of lake bottom. Wouldn't go inside, but definitely would stick the camera inside. And I find another sunken boat kind of in the same area. Now this is more of a ski boat, and you can see the steering wheel controls and the throttle controls are still intact, and it's sitting vertically upright in the mud. It's just stuck in the mud, sitting like straight up and down. And then you can find the motor on the back, all the way on the bottom. This outboard is still sitting down there. And there's these lines you can make out that will lead you to it. Well, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys liked, subscribed, comment, and turn the notification bell on. Have a great day.